Hello everyone. Thank you for your attendance and welcome to the course Russian Political Governance and Public Policy. This course is a result of joint efforts of the Department of Political Governance at St. Petersburg State University. The purpose of this course is to familiarize you with the problems and prospects for political development in Russia. What is the Russian political system and public policy? What principles guide politicians in Russia? Are there any obstacles that impede the implementation of the principles of democracy in Russia? How does political life in Russia look like? This course is intended for beginners to study politics in Russia. There are many opinions about the political system, the regime, and political development in Russia. In Western countries, not just critical, but negative judgments dominate. We take into account the first, but we are suspicious to the later. We generally assume that Russia is a country just like any other countries, with many development problems and prospects. Our general approach is to think critically about these issues by bringing together insights from the field of political science and from the real politics when we discuss Russian political system and political development. And now let us introduce ourselves. My name is Leonid Smorgunov. I am professor and the chair of the Political Governance Department. My subject of interest is comparative politics, public administration, and public policy. Currently, I work on the problems of political and administrative reform in the countries with developing economy. I am authored a number of books, textbooks, and research articles.
Dear participants, welcome to our course. My name is Anna Volkova. I'm a doctor of political science and associated professor. I teach some course in public administration, public policy, leadership, and ethics. The field of my interest is administrative reforms in the context of political culture, Russian political culture, and ethics. I am an author of several books, textbooks, and articles on these issues.
Hello, dear students. Let me introduce myself. My name is Kirill Neverov. I'm an assistant professor of the Department of Political Governance. My PhD thesis was about political processes in Latin America. My research area is public policy in Latin American states. Currently, I'm working on the research of political regimes of the states of the Southern Cone. I'm an author of several research articles. Also, I teach courses on comparative politics, public choice theory, and political governance.
Hello, dear colleagues. My name is Alexander Sherstabitov. I'm associate professor at the Department of Political Governance at St. Petersburg State University. I deliver a number of courses in Russian political science, such as political management, project management in politics, courses dedicated to policy networks and information technologies in contemporary political science and in politics. Within the framework of this course, I will deliver two topics. One will be dedicated to the contemporary Russian public policy issues, and another one will be dedicated to the civic inclusion and inclusive politics in contemporary Russia. My topics of research cover the political networks issues. Especially, I focus on urban policy networks in contemporary Russia and the role of social media in political processes all over the world.
Well, each one of us will teach several topics of this course, and you will meet us in different parts of this course. This course is designed for 6 weeks. Every week will consist of a module that discusses some topics and problems of Russian politics. Each module will be accompanied by short lectures. For self-study, we will offer you some additional articles, presentations, videos, questions that will help you to learn the material. Some weeks will include webinar, where you will have an opportunity to discuss different problems of Russian politics with the instructor and fellow students. Some classes will be accompanied by discussions and teamwork. You will qualify for the completion of the course if you pass all the tests and complete the final assignment. For the final assignment, you can either choose a written essay or select a topic or a final test. Detailed instructions for the final assignment you will find in the requirements for the course. You can also contact us via email and get additional instructions or additional materials for self-study. Now, let me start our joint journey on Russian political map.